Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to pickpocket successfully in Skyrim. This method would never fail. Of course, you boot up your game first, load your save file and stuff. And first of all, you need the Unrelenting Force Shout. Learn from Dragon's Rising quest from the Jarl Balgruuf. That's for me. You need all three words for the attempt to actually work, so you can just knock the person down. Now, find a person and use the shout on him or her, and they will be knocked down. Once down, just pickpocket them. Do this in a secluded place, like a house with only one person and stuff. And for the tips, always be undetected. Kill the person after the pickpocket if possible. If you can't kill the person, run like hell. 4. Have a high pickpocket skill or the pick. You should mostly unlock all the pickpocket perks and stuff. If you're on PC, use the console command T-detect. If you're on PC, so you can be undetected. 6. Go behind the victim if you don't have the shout. Also do that at nighttime. It might actually work. And don't steal from a member of the Thieves Guild. For example, Brynjolf, the first guy you see in Riften things on a mission for Delphine, like a cornered rat or something. So yeah, that's how you can pickpocket successfully in Skyrim. If you need any more help, don't be ashamed to put your problems in the comments. I will try to help and respond to them. So that's it for today. Comment, rate, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye.